Okay, let's get this. I can hear her doing something. Totally. So I did have Tessa out last night. So let's see. Oh, she's moving that away. Are you coming back? I know you want to come out. I know you want to come out. I feel that you want to come out. I've just got to hear. So, you're going to come out to Mum? Or you're going to still jump a little bit, guys, when she's a little bit twitchy? It's just about... I can't help it. You know, I've copped a nip from her, and, you know, not that it's dreadfully dreadful, but if I can avoid it, I'm going to have to use two hands to support her. Getting her actually out. Are you coming out? Hey? Gosh, I hope I don't smell like a rat, because I've been... Well, I did wash my hands, guys. But I just had to think about that then. That would be terrible with Miss Tessa. Well, are you going to... I don't know which side you want to come out, darling. Like what side? You were desperately seeking to come on out. I can see that. But you have to tell Mum which way, because I'm not really sure. I don't... Whoa! I got one here, which I'm going to have to close the door because I got a Lily. Oh, no, she's okay. Don't you go being sneaky because I'm busy. Sometimes I swear, guys, it's when you are busy, they decide that they're not going to do what it is that they would normally do. That's Lily. Now, I don't know whether she does that because she thinks I'm focusing on somebody else rather than her, but Lily gets so much of my attention anyway. Come on, sweetie. We ain't going down the back there, so give it up. And get on with where you want to go. Like, you wanting to go up on that windowsill today. I'm never sure with you. Hey? Where are you going to go? Oh, yeah, I touched Tessa. I did. Don't like the smell of her. She's alright. She's completely fine. No, I know Lily needs to go to the toilet, guys. No, she needs the loo. And that's why she's not settling or finding somewhere to settle. Because she needs a toilet spot. So I've got the puppy pad out. And I'm just going to watch her. You're not going up there. You're not going up there, darling. Well, you can to some degree. You guys, you know what? I don't know if you find these just videos of just having a chat with Lily, with her coming out, and not really talking about anything specifically other than, you know, my bit of a day with my snakes. Boring, but it is a part of, you know, me living with my snakes, and that's what I do. I live with my snakes, and this is a routine. This is what I do. This is how it goes. It's not always me wanting to tell you, you know, this is this, or this is that, or this is something else. That isn't, you know, what I do on a daily basis with them. You know, I spend time with them. I observe them, I watch them, and I love doing that as much as I love doing my videos and talking to you about my life with them and what they're like and how beautiful they are, and as you can see, you know, very sweet. And I have to laugh. Well, I didn't laugh because it was beautiful and it was lovely. I was talking to a girl, tarot, and I really apologise, Rennie, but she's terrified of snakes, just terrified of them, and all of that stuff. And I was talking to her on a live stream that we were in, and of course Megan saw me on there and mentioned me and mentioned my snakes, and just said how sweet they were, how sweet Lily is, and how much she sees that about Lily. And of course Rennie is, oh, I'm terrified. If I saw a snake, I'd pee my pants, really terrified of them. And Rennie came over and watched one of my videos and left a message, and watched another one and left a message, watched another one, and said, I can't stop watching your videos. Your snakes are sweet and beautiful, and I can't believe it. I'm just gonna keep watching. I can't stop watching now. I need to just keep on watching. Wow, did that make my night, guys? Honestly, what a... yeah, I can't believe it. To hear that from somebody that, downright said, I'm terrified. To then, I've got to keep watching your videos. I can't stop myself now. I went to bed feeling happy and with a smile on my face to know there's one other person now that... Are you turning Jack's light on and off, Lily? Yes, Mum, I am, actually. Yeah, I was very honoured that she was going to do that. So I hope that she's one more person that has now realised that snakes aren't all terrible. She knows about Tessa, and she watched a video and said, well, I see what you mean, but didn't deter her from keeping on watching. So Lily's going right along there. I'm going to make this a Lily video, and I'll have to do a Tessa and getting her out once Lily gets herself settled. I know what you want to do. I know totally what you're doing. Oh, I get it, Lily. I know you're telling me, Mum, I need to go to the toilet. So guys, what I'm actually going to do is very quickly get Lily, because she's going to make her way down here anyway, all by herself, to the ground level, so that she can go to the toilet. That's what it's all about. So I'm going to take her outside. It's been raining, but the sun is out. So I'm going to take her outside, guys, and let her use the bathroom. Hey, that's life living with snakes. So we'll get outside. I'll put this into a video. I'll try as she's bumping. Also, Tessa's light. Not the best way for them to come around the back there, but I do keep my eye on them. And I do keep an eye on all the plugs and stuff, so I wish I could do it differently, and I will be attempting to do so many things differently. But anyway, let me get Lily. Let's take her outside. See if she needs that bathroom. I think she does. She knows where she's going. Trust me, she knows the front door. She's hilarious. Well, she's not hilarious. Hilarious. Oh, you're just smart. You're one smart cookie girl. That's what you are. Very smart girl. So the ground's a little wet, like I said, but nothing too major. And won't hurt her to get her belly a little bit wet. Of course, oh, it feels like it's going to be a little bit of a sun shower. I can feel dripping on me. But hey, Good for the skin, Lily. I don't want to get wet, bub. If I sit down, I'm going to get a wet tush. Well, I guess it's all fair, isn't it? You're going to get one wet tush yourself. So can you hop on down? Oh, here we go. I'll let her make her way off me slowly but surely, as Lily do. Okay. There you go, babe. Oh, I'm getting water on the screen here. It's waterproof. My camera's actually waterproof. I've not really ever used it. I think that's locked. In this camera I can actually dip under the water. I don't need to put a cover on it. I don't need to do anything with it. I can just duck it under the water. I've never done it. It's not like it's a brand new camera. It is an older camera, but it's really the only good one that I've got. And I would, you know, it's had, I guess, a few drops and stuff, so I kind of worry whether it's sealed enough. It probably is, but I would be devastated, guys, if I didn't have my camera, and it would take me a while, truly, to save. And even though I got this one really, really cheap at a second-hand place, right now, guys, I really couldn't afford to get myself another camera, so I'm very, very vigilant with this one. I think I would cry if this camera got broken on me and I had no way of filming my videos for you all, or being able to just be in touch with you. As I said, Lily needed the toilet, and yeah, she'll be right now. Once she goes, she'll be happy to go back inside and find that cozy spot, like I said, and chill out and go to sleep and do what Lily does. So, you know, people say, how do you know? And I guess, you know, I see in the way Lily is and how she's acting when I do get her out, and whether she goes and settles or she doesn't, and I can pretty much tune into her and the fact that she needs the toilet. So excuse the view, but this is what snakes do. They need to go to the toilet, and the best thing for me is my snakes come outside and go to the toilet. I don't have that mess for my big guys in their enclosures, so that's a good thing. And I don't mind at all the fact that I have to bring them outside. I love bringing them outside anyway, and I know they like it as well. It's really, really great for them to be able to stretch out, you know, feel that beautiful grass under their belly, which is what is natural to them, more than what we put in their enclosures for them. So, you know, you feel like, it's not like I can give her a little treat and say, oh, good girl for going to the toilet, you know. It doesn't quite work like that with snakes, whereas, you know, when we've got our little dogs that we're training to go out to the toilet, I guess for them it's a natural reward that they're keeping their enclosures nice and clean for themselves, because, you know, they certainly don't like to dirty in it. And if they do, because of my non-observation, and only that would be if I've gone to bed. And believe me, if I get up at 2 o'clock in the morning, which is one of the times I'm generally up and doing a bit of a check around the room, if one of them has made a mess, especially Lily or Jack, or even Jessie, and now it's, I think, Tessa, I can guarantee you, yep, I put on the light and sure enough there's a mess in there. So, but more often than not, my big guys kind of do get me during the day, or they will hang on, because that's what Jack does. But Jack went to the toilet yesterday, so he's all good for his meal today. I'm not overly, got to go to the toilet before I put another rat into Jack. He is quite okay with me giving him a feed, and maybe after the second feed he will go to the toilet, and always does. If he were hanging on and I was getting up to the third feed, then I'd be thinking, hang on, but I need you to go to the toilet first. But if it's only been a couple of feeds, I'm pretty chill. That's cool, mate. So anyway, I am going to get Lily and take her back inside now, and because Tessa wants to come out. Otherwise, I'd stay out here a bit longer, but I've got to strike the iron while it's hot when it's Tessa, and get her out. So, like I said, I do a completely separate video with Tessa. Otherwise, you're going to be on here for a long time. So guys, take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of the snakes. See if you can toilet train them. I'm pretty sure you could. Ciao.